Ebusuameda wase na mama akwa babiem e de aba GH report so na ene eye 2 videos na me de airbrow. 1 Captain Smart ene wakoto asemu. Aisha Modi abomode e de Captain Smart atobo so na wahoro no papa ne wahoro no amanafi pa yeba na de emu nsem no ababeso no nya bi atie na wakyere wadwene na enanu ya na me de krata Chese Foreign Minister Honorable OKUDZETO Ablakwa Erebeto Abonte a watch say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama won peneso e watch say US and Venezuela and sen semina wa abra Venezuela President Maduro yetimi kwagere no pampe eni kopie mu e watch say amanone asise no ye hwe adi na asem ni nyina eye ensem watch say Honorable OKUDZETO Ablakwa Erebeto Abonte na Ghana for akondeme say Honorable OKUDZETO Ablakwa epre ne ho ede sa release ebeto abonte no eyade a enkaye na eyade so a ehu ede ma Ghana enka empo ebeya na enikwa se Ghana ekasa edefa ho se empo na Ghana pese omkasa fa ho a ekese nkomutetia break kakra ene ensem de Ghana for ekasa ebimukra ehye no se beya wo mra bonten anase omra bonten woni His Excellency omunyina mra bonten emfa achawpa emre US for ebusia ye ba ne ba betie emu nsem no na wonam so ache wadwenti de di kan no ye di ka enkote Aisha Modi ene hora wahoro Captain and the Smart yentie nsem no
yankrofo yire twe abodamfo asefo memo asebita frache omu ye graduation omu maame no mbeji na omu shetai and die omu shugulungu ebi face west ebi face south we mu omu ambo bra mema asebita frache omu backmaili ewiase mu nyina ansa na omu etimi edidi mu mbisa ne se die na esi dadi lumba opposite no eye ni sika na eba ne se ne esi sa die ne ma no impanyufo be na esi sa die ne ma no blackmail be no come blackmail Sampanyufo na sana sia ye man sa security no on be chere government edwuma oye nti a aban etwia ne kabosumi bia kwasia mpanyi jimifo ebema amambo bra woni twa di Captain Smart wo maame animu hu ase jamwe bi wo maame beto ho mi hu wo maame kwa mi hu ni face mi hu ni hwene na mahu na so hu nani bibia everything la fla global for kwasia kote shawo papa ye de pam kabani slit kura ebeko mama gugu ewo ganuowa aboa wuntumi nsiesie ho we free ni ama ya to Felicia ewo wedwumum kwasia kono ko chiagia 85 million ebre no na fami sika breme kwasia mpenyi otumi be free ni nyonko ba niama 100 and something million to me nchia for over 8 years man yire enye ne yire obi yire kwasia mpenyi obi owaware obi yire di obi yire toto no onim musuo jantre ni ba musuo ni kesman we ko bible mu na kohwe di odi obi yire di eto no bodamfo ba wo maame bodam de wo ntia wo bodam nti wo kwa wade obi yire kwa wo hu se wo wale obi yire kwasia mpenyi jimi monfa ni she fridge mu ye be che no
ai we de why
abusia ene monfa ni she fridge mu ya asemu enti wutim se Aisha Modi de se Ghana president ene ne ka almost obibia wahwe obibia ena obibia nso ede ne ka enti wo hwe ehoro pa watimi ede Captain Smart esi wo ahoro from ne soro ebesi nase ede ne maame ne papa abam abusia enye easy ni nyina eye LUMBA nsensem ya o LUMBA defo ya abusia legend wo bu kokra na chinsam kra chinkure abusia enti eno so eno no na yemfiri we so na yenkowuram ewo abrache se Ghana for air condemn the act the release a foreign minister Honorable OKUDZETO Ablakwa wade beto obonte a condemn USA Donald Trump act se wotimi ekojire Venezuela President Maduro okojire no ede ne kopie mu ewache se amonone omo hwese sabe omode papa no famra kwa so no Ghana for condemn se Ghana penifo anyade omo anyade kwa na tie sa enkomo wi na yento aso
South Africa President Ramaphosa South Africa womo eka na South Africa na danfo ne Russia na danfo ne China na danfo ne India na danfo ne Brazil na danfo ne Venezuela sa BRICS kuo no kra no Venezuela no kra wodi dine ba ya wo no kra no oba mu ya South Africa kra no wo ye breaks kuo no ni nua kra no kra no
Ofa.
kra wa kwanda no the words no the choice of words the diction as somebody will say no it is not as strong as Ghana dia 24 hours
No from
adai
no from but OKUDZETO dia na ofa wa tro na hu the ocean tune na o use na yi na im say papa ni janenim kra nka OKUDZETO kra be kasa rough project papa yi because later now you present anger na e che ni mu na im say we yi ato papa ni I don't know so na America's whole problem I don't know of away ebenya effects yeah ebenya effect
definitely
ebenya ho consequences of me that one was
but muntie it is not like yeah kasa mu on kasa Ghana is part of the international community it be because obetimi akabi enti en kasa ma on kasa obetimi akasa how fast the tone of his words do any kasa no any senya Ghana esi pantem no Germany ni Italy akasifo ya America kura sabe ombetimi atutufu ama America endi ho no ombetimi abo bra no omukwa atete obi a eton bu ase shete no why are you rushing kosini bekadie menen
Abusia enti ensem no na wonya bia wutie. Now the question here is say in your own point of view do you think say foreign minister Honorable Ablakwa he was in a rush he was in a haste say ode communicate about to abonten wa condemn US act na and do you also think say it's going to have a consequences e Ghana so as far as say this Venezuela and USA issues in air concern obetimi ache wadwe na enso wo kra anya botere tamuchuku ne tie we so e this side
na e say global war na ya start here we eju beka bibi kra nya botere judge ntwere bia efrim panimfo ansa na bia beka bibi sa wakoka because they say waka say okay Matias here obi antra ne kroma when ne belusu Ghana for ne belusu adi ase they say Russia or pedom China or pedom and US and so pedom it's really an Ukrainian enemy why too early so okaka san ever say na sa bibi sa no e panimfo na mo de da BBC ano no omunya hweye na omususu nkaka santem e ma emwa ye nyina na de to sunsu bio no me de offer bet me de asan down say per de Trump why by June now Ukraine to kana bury because Putin na nya na share say obey Ukraine ma panyin na yede everyone aso tu na de so ono na sem no a different between the Trump they call Venezuela a different because Putin here na adwen say what ya say onko na to awon ni ni asem ono na to na akofa ba fie na no wompe but the Trump why there offer and ebode na ti do by June that's how the Ukraine abawi here because they say be say o mu nyina China fo ni that am de me hu no baby kakra me no nya adwen say wo ka say Trump enye na adwen say obetu Zelensky Trump openly publicly sorry Putin betu Zelensky put your can publicly say the obabe gina no change of government here and what Ukraine memu enti on cast obabe kun Zelensky name abane de wompe am no crack can say he doesn't recognize Zelensky's regime say or your man pedi BFC and tono so aba to abane of 2019 on Zelensky 4 years later no saka Ukraine for to aba e da Zelensky say won to kwaninti entiment to aba enti ananu ya literary day ya wakasa on Bosco no put it can in plain language without mentioning words to say or no as far as is concerned no Ukraine en your mampani and one day wo nya no kra pen one person wo no but baby am no ya adwene say they been buy on bekan no enne asema all can say Donald Trump were hypocrite na double standards na wono wakwa obi ya na dia on power control na Donald Trump and America etc enne wo so asora ku bi so a wo mo empedi pakwasem na na me tiati obi say anhwe so kra how can we know say edika there is a deal between Putin and Donald Trump say oh, okay ubetuna condemn but ebia kokoam no ye say dey say aboy nkobo ma me nkwa peke eyi e friend say Maduro na wọ́n sọ pé Zelensky.
Ọba asapani for me on the Putin it the media mi so mu mi because o ma yo mofa no e different. Yeah dey e be ma be kan dey wa ba o mo ye call. E yo mo personal call kasa o mu bibi anti e wi ase no kasa na mo ni say e do time akesefo na yo ma bi say waso odi o say ye kana won ti ase a e be mo say pani di pani. Etimi dey me no ya adwen because me won say o mo wa yon ko for different. Between Putin and Trump. Etira me can say ba wa me say no June there. Say Putin obenya to Zelensky obetu no. Enu June there also so kra pe there we see no. Also so kra. Because no ya say nka bibia be no. Boko na anya na to for so na ekwadwan ni a. Say ka Zelensky there ko on so nkwan ye. On there so what no hwa no. Bafa ade ma me ko no obi mla bi.
Na Messi statement na baba be we kora ho. Was if we should inform Ablakwa to write an apology letter.
Apology
to Trump.
Ebusa yewie yefa we ento aso ne sorry so
asema okai na kwa kofa problem aba KOKUDZETO abrakwa bu na wo muade ahomaso wo nafa enti won hwe de we obesi akasa yi na wo gina wo man mu akasa ama aboa wo man na de we obesi ayede akasa Ghana de be na yewo yensansu ye kira adwade yensansu ye kira adwade na asema okokaza ebufu ba na se papa kase say na konti mempini na de be na Ghana ye be faso on intermediate offer kaka American say was a Ukraine president won hwe ne ho ye because Putin adwomponi aba ne tirim Putin adwomponi aba nti onye ni papa nti was a catch of blast Zelensky say me say won hwe ne ho ye na nyasa Putin be ba chen say dia we about say Putin be china Donald Trump won't even carry because if you do me, I do you.
Mr. Dixon, Patro Koko Abroko no eden, foreign secretary and said
foreign minister.
Yes. Okay.
Abisha enti said da yakoso ya any pitri. Minim said wa dwen no is it here bet. I don't know. Won a bit much. Do you think say foreign minister was he in a rush? And I said Omomra bontin na omombe apologize to US ana. Do you think say omampani emra bontin emeka bibi emfa encheche muye emfa ensemo a ebeto dwa say Ghana condemn the act Donald Trump isifa eyeye ensure in case say kokrom eba hwan na ebesofa chewa dwene e comment section e ma me midin e de Kobe and obetimi afrem Kobe finest eye GH report.